What's up, guys and girls? Today we're going to be making jalapeno duck poppers on the grill. First off, you're going to get your duck. You're going to dry it out. I have mine frozen. I just thaw it in lukewarm water. Just let it sit until it thaws. You're going to pat it dry. Is your duck breasts. Oh, stuck together. Come on now. Look at that. These things are going to be good. You're going to throw them in a little Tupperware container like that. I'm gonna marinate them for probably about 30 minutes, 45 minutes. I use a pork marinade by Stubbs. This is good stuff. It's got chili, lime, ginger in it. I get this from a little local market. We're gonna do a little bit of that. And Teal seasoning, not none of that low sodium crap. Not the full sodium, just a little bit on these, because we're not doing much. I ain't got a lot of people coming over tonight. I'm gonna make about 6, and then I like to give a little splash of Worcestershire in there. Sweet stuff. Come on, man. You gonna take that, shake it around. This is a good marinade for these duck poppers. And just like that, you'll make sure got all the meat covered. You won't let it sit. I'll come back in about 15 minutes, shake it around again, just to get the ones that are on bottom, put them back on top, make sure everything's nice and evenly marinated. All right, next we're gonna make our cream cheese. I just use regular cream cheese, original. This is some off-brand shit. So every time I make these, I make them different. We're just gonna throw this in a bowl. Since I ain't making a lot of it, I ain't gonna get the mixer out. I reckon I just put this whole damn block in there. Come on now. Deep bite. Oh, there we go. All right. Then, we're just gonna add in our seasonings. We gotta have that Tony's. Gotta do some Tony's asheries, a little bit of pink Himalayan salt, onion powder, garlic powder. Like I said, I make this different every time. I'm gonna add in some of this smoky mesquite by Weber. Bango bango. And some maple. I'm gonna wrap it in applewood bacon, so a little bit of maple. Tastes good. Just add a little bit of that. A little bit of garlic powder. And a maple. And I had to de-thaw all my ducks, so y'all hang around. We're gonna not only do duck pepper tonight, but I'm gonna show you how to make some duck jerky. And this is gonna take freaking forever. I'm gonna soften it up, probably put a little Dale's in there. Some Worcestershire probably. We already got Dale. You're gonna mash this all up. Alright, this junk is thick, so I'm gonna put a little bit of Worcestershire in there. Just to give it something. Probably gonna add a little butter in there too. Just to loosen it up. Alright, now we're done. All mixed up. See, the consistency is a little better now. Adding that Worcestershire. Careful not to do too much salt. It's got a little taste. It's gonna be a little salty. Probably wouldn't add some pink Himalayan salt. All right, next I'm gonna show you how to do my jalapenos. I do them a little different, so I'm gonna put you on the head mount. Show you exactly how I do this. I think it works better, and that's just me though. All right, first thing you're gonna do, drink a beer. Then you're gonna hack off. I like to cut mine right in the center. Just like that. Most people cut them, like in half. I guess I am still cutting it in half. Like I said, you'll see. This is how I do mine. And I know, probably gonna get some. You do it weird. You don't do it right. That's cool, man. You do you. Then, take it over here. I save a couple of these seeds. I make a couple of them real spicy, a couple of them not so spicy. And then, I'll save some of these seeds and throw them in the cheese after I made a couple that aren't spicy. I got some people here. And boom. Do that to all of them. Rake out the seeds just like that. You know, you clean it out on the inside. And get all those seeds out in that core. And that's how you do it, just like that. Just do all of them. Oh my God, y'all just missed it. I was cleaning the rest of these jokers out. I only got 2 left. And it squirted me in the eye. That joker burned. Alright, now you're gonna check back on your duck. They looking good. I'm gonna cut them up. Now just a little sliver. You want to cut them about that big. That's about how big you want your sliver. There's 3. How many we got over there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12. Some of the shorter ones. Ooh, about got my finger. I'll leave that one big. I should have cut them up before I started marinating them. But that's alright, they'll eat the same. I'm going to show y'all how to cook them and everything. And we're going to do the taste test. Alright, now I'm going to throw them back in here because I got to wait till they show up. We're going to let them marinate some more. Alright, now you're going to take your meat, a little sliver at a time, and you're going to drop her down in there. Just like that. I'm going to try to get it on one side. Now I use the back of a spoon to pack these just so I can really get it in there a little bit easier. Just like this. Boom. Pack it in there good. Like that. I like to keep the duck on one side. We're gonna cover that whole thing up. Once you get it all down in there, scrape it off, and then you're good. Look just like that. Show y'all another one. Get your little sliver of meat. Oop, didn't cut that one all the way through. There we go. Let's probably use a little smaller piece. Come on. I know I cut a small piece in there. There we go. A little small piece of duck down in there. Just like that. And don't worry, I'm gonna throw this cheese, all this cheese away. I don't save this shit because I'm putting raw meat in it. For your eyes say too. Alright. I just got 10 more to do. Alright, all those are stuffed with duck and cream cheese. Now we're about to start wrapping them in bacon. Look, when it comes out like this, it sticks out too far. I know it's too long. I like a lot of duck in mine. Just fold it over the top and be alright. But, you're going to get you a piece of bacon. Find a good spot to really hold everything in. Go about right there. No, stretch it on there. Alright, and once you get that, wrap this whole thing just like that. And I'm going to throw some toothpicks in it to hold it in place. I want your cream cheese leak out. Boom, don't that look good? Alright. Now we just got to do the rest. I'll show y'all again. I got my iPad up so I can see what I'm doing. On the camera, y'all excuse me, I'm not that good with cameras. But, you know, take it. Real thick part of that bacon. Wrap it on there like that. Wrap it up like that. And then I'm gonna probably throw a toothpick through it. Hold it on there. Some of these smaller ones, you can cut a piece of bacon in half and get the same result. I like a full piece of bacon on mine. Same deal right there. Look, man, I'm telling y'all ain't got to do it this way. I like doing it this way. That's how I grew up doing it. Y'all can cut them in half, use the same recipe, because it's going to taste good no matter which way you cut the jalapeno. Guaranteed. All right. These jokers are ready to go on the grill. What up, peeps? Say hey to YouTube.
You put these on the Insta already?
Say what? Hold on, they going on the grill, buddy. That's what I'm talking about, ooh. That joker is hot, my man. Boy, that damn grease done caught a fire on the bottom. All right, we good, dude.
So technically, that's.
All right, you see how that one's wrinkling up? That's how you know them jokers are about ready. I'm gonna let them crispify. I'm gonna take them off there and let them sit so they get real crispy. But you wanna make sure that duck inside gets cooked. Them jokers are looking good. Looking good, dude. Well, I done started pulling them off. Got to turn the camera on.
Let me get up in there.
Ooh, that one's gonna be good. That one's crispy. All right, look at them, dude. That's right. All right, dude. Grab you one of them jokers. Tell me what you think.
Oh, hold on, I gotta pick it carefully.
Kevin's got a toothpick in the middle.
It's the middle one.
How's it going there?
Oh, let me get this off. Hey. Ah, that's hot. That's
Is it too hot?
Yeah, it might be.
All right, stand by. We done watching Catfish Cooley. Oh shit! All right.
Yeah.
Where we at?
All right, he about to try the jalapeno duck popper by
You
Duck
tell him what you got in there?
Yeah,
You
man.
already did
He already did that.
Take this off some.
It don't need a toothpick. Tastes like shit.
Oh yeah.
Too hot?
Oh no! That's good though. That's a hot jalapeno.
Like spicy hot?
Oh yeah.
No.
Damn, dude. Yeah, but it's like.
I think the heat
Yeah.
probably adds to the spicy heat.
That's good.
You like that?
Yeah.
He likes it. It's great.
It's great.
Oh man, I'm saying it so much now. Dude, you a little bitch when it comes to
The heat?
The
yeah,
heat?
I'm not a heat guy.
Hey, beat the heat, Joe Sargent.
Oh, we got a little bit on now.
That one's better.
Mm-hmm.
That one's better.
That was good.
Oh man, what you posting over there?
Duck Rose just got something.
That's right. Look, all of our phones lit up. You gonna be trying one of these?
I don't know.
Probably not. You 100% know. I don't know what's wrong with these people.
Spicy.
You like? Why is it spicy? I'm not crying. You're crying.
That was great.
That's great. It's good.
I don't want flavor away.
That's right.
That was good.
All right, guys. Jalapeno duck poppers were a success. If there's anything else you want to see me or James cook on the YouTube channel, just let us know. Like, subscribe, comment. Just y'all let us know what you want to see, and we'll whip it up. Up next is a little bit of teal duck jerky. So that's coming up now.